Hello students, I am Arun Pandey and today I am going to discuss class 8 subject science chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is crop production and management. You see the name of the chapter and it is part 2 of the chapter 1. Today my topic is modern agriculture. So inside the topic modern agriculture, all of us, that means all of the students, you learn about modern agriculture. So inside modern agriculture, slowly population of human beings will increase. That means in modern time human beings also done agriculture, but in primitive time, that means before modern agriculture, human beings also done agriculture, because before the starting the agriculture humans are wanderer, then try to learn agriculture, settle at a place. But in modern agriculture, what does human? In modern agriculture, slowly population of human beings will increase. So human beings thought that we have to grow more and more crops for a large population. If population will be large, so production of crops will also large. That's why human beings fulfill their requirement of foods. After that, human beings started new technique, new varieties of crops, new species of seeds to sow inside the soil and learn how crops will be grown efficiently, how more and more production taken from the same field using the modern technique. So in modern agriculture, human beings learn just as paddy crop, rice grown well in a lot of water. That means what thinks human beings? Human beings thinks that rice, that means paddy, from paddy we get rice. So from paddy crops, how we get a lot of production? So for a paddy crop, paddy is such a crop, that means rice is such a crop that needs a lot of water. And in which soil paddy grow best? So rice grow well in clay soil. Human beings learn in which crops, in which soil particular crops grown best. So for the rice, for the paddy crops, paddy grow well, paddy grow best in the clay soil. And next will be wheat grow well in alluvial soil. Wheat is a crop that is grow well in alluvial soil. Humans realized, and thus human realized that how water is important need of the crops. With the help of water, plants can grow very well and give a lot of production to human beings, and such that human beings learn how water can be conserved by making dams, making reservoirs. So human beings learn with respect to crop plants of importance of water. Human also made tools such as sickle. Sickle as a instrument, agricultural instrument, axe and the plough to help in the agricultural work. Sickle, plough, axe are the agricultural instrument. They help in the agricultural work of human beings, and they develop newer technique for preparing the soil for cultivation. They develop new technique how soil is prepared and giving best production, giving more production to the crops, to the farmers. Machines such as tractor, combine, harvester and the thresher have improved the efficiency of agricultural processes. They improve the agricultural work. They improve the agricultural efficiency to the human beings and contributed to increased output, and thus production of the crops will be increased inside modern agriculture. So students, I think that and I hope modern agriculture what have I am explained to you, I am described to you inside modern agriculture, you all understood very well. So this much enough today, but